Welcome to my final project. For my final project, I made a dating website called I Like, where we match based on the mile radius. So I'll give you guys a quick demo. I actually was able to finally put it on Heroku, but for some reason when I send messages from your conversations or from users start conversation button, for some reason, Heroku doesn't like the background image, and therefore I'm going to show it from localhost. So I actually like my background image more than I like Heroku, so that's why we're going to show it to you guys from localhost. Currently, I'm signed in with my login name, and I'm going to give you guys a quick demo of how to have a conversation with someone. And these are the current users that I have: Jigglypuff, Princess Peach, myself, and Quack. Um, If I do limit to nearby users, I should only see Jigglypuff and Princess Peach, because when I edited the profile for Quack, sorry, I put Baltimore in there. Baltimore, one place in Baltimore. So, and since that is not in 20-mile radius, I would not be able to see that person in the nearby users link. But I can see him in all users link. Let's have a conversation with Jigglypuff. Let's say, hey, stop singing. I'm too tired. Yeah, there's a subject line. I understand that. That's because I used a gem called Mailboxer, and therefore that's why I have the subject line. In future iterations, that's definitely not going to be in there. Another thing is, even though you're picked the person to have a conversation with, you need to pick them again from the choose recipient button. And there we go. We have sent a message for to Jigglypuff today. And if you log out and log back in as Jigglypuff, and Jigglypuff should be able to see in the conversations, hey, stop singing, I'm too tired. I'm a little rough for a dating website, I guess. I should be a little nicer. So let's go back to the homepage. One thing I wanted to show you guys is that I use this JavaScript that shows the current time. Kind of run out of JavaScript ideas. I do want to implement this for the future iteration of this project, but I didn't really know where to put it, so I just put it in the middle. I know it kind of looks ugly, but it's some JavaScript. One thing I really wanted to do with this website was with the likes button. So from users, you're supposed to have a like or an unlike button, and every time you like the person, you should be able to see on your likes. And if that person likes you, you should be able to see it on your likes me button. I can see that it kind of does work from Rails console, but I don't know why I can't really get it up on here yet. But that I'm pretty close. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Um, One thing I wanted to show you guys really quickly is so since it's a dating website, I kind of thought of making it in a way that you have to be over 18 to sign up for it. So let's log out and log back in as someone else. Oh, sorry, sign up. Let's sign up as someone else. Let's use the username. GADC GAGA at ga.com. So if I pick a date that's I guess before 96, after 96, I shouldn't be able to sign up for it because I'm not 18 yet. And I should see an error message come out when I say sign up. Yes. My background image guy's head is blocking it, but yes, over 18. Age must be over 18. We'll fix that. So let's talk a little bit about code. I feel like I'm going super over time. One thing that I spend the most time on was my user model. I know it looks really ugly, but for this functionality, I really switched things around a lot, so my apologies for that. Has a lot of validations, and one of the hardest parts for me was after device to be able to use a username. So let's do it again really quickly. Um, so when I sign in, rather than a email address, it should be showing um, logged in as my username. Um, and I can basically go to any page with my username. I really try to customize this a lot, so that's why I spend a lot of time on this. But another thing about username implementing is a lot harder than you might expect when you use Devise. And another reason why my user model is a little messy is I try to add everything to the user controller, user model, and like rather than having a profile, I wanted to build everything on top of Devise. That's one thing that really took a long time with this project, but it kind of worked out nicely at the end. Um, Another thing is you can edit your profile, and well, you can change your zip code if you move somewhere else. I guess one thing that's a future iteration of this website is if someone moves somewhere else, they can put in their new zip code, so that they can search in their nearby 20-mile radius. And I don't think there's much to change here. So you write your current password. If you want to change your password, you can change it, and that's about it. So one thing I really want to do with this website, other than the likes button that I have up here, is actually be able to match you based on your Facebook likes and interests, or actually, to be honest, in any social networking like LinkedIn, Meetup, Twitter, Instagram, any one of those. I kind of wanted to implement on here, so that's definitely going to be my major goal for this dating website is to be able to implement those. So you can see users' likes, what users' interests, and you can have a full conversation with them uh, because you'll be able to see what they like. That's why I call the website I like. Um, well, for now, that's about it. Thank you guys for listening. My apologies if I've been rambling a lot. Let me know if you guys have any questions.